Hello and welcome to Teen Tech Time. I'm Miles Miller and today we are going to be unboxing the iPad 3rd generation. So I've been using my iPad 3rd generation for about 2 months now. I've used it mostly for school, and the 5 megapixel camera is great for taking pictures of the board. Find whatever's there, I need to just take a picture of it, and it's saved in here, which is really nice. Voice dictation is great for notes. I've only used it for a couple of times, but otherwise, whenever I use it, it's extremely accurate, which is always great. I bet you guys have questions about, does it get really hot? Because people say it gets extremely hot, and that's why I won't get it. It only gets extremely hot if I'm working on my iPad in the car, and the sun is just shining on it through the window. It will get really hot. Otherwise, when you're just, let's say you're in your house or in your room, or you're sitting in an enclosed area, then it won't get that hot. It will stay. It will warm up, but it won't get extremely hot like people are saying online. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you want to comment or say something or ask me something or contact me in any way, please comment on the video. And if you want to see more of my upcoming videos or any of my past videos, please subscribe to my channel up above. I believe it's up there, or maybe it's up there, I don't know, because it might be flipped around the video. So you can go to my website and contact me there. All my contact information is there, all my videos are posted there, everything I do is posted at teentechtime.com, and you can follow me on Facebook or like me on, I said that all backwards. You can follow me on Twitter and like me on Facebook. And yeah, that's about it. You can also send me an email at miles@teentechtime.com. And that's about it. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye.